Welcome to my channel Traveler Guide. In this video we talk about the United States of America study visa. We provide the all information in a simple way. If you want to increase your chance of United States of America study visa from 0 to 100%, then watch my full video, and learn from my video and apply for United States of America study visa. And achieve your dream of study in an international university. If you're still not sure where you want to study in the US, you will have to decide before you can apply for the student visa. You'll need an acceptance letter from the university to start your visa application process. Some American universities may also offer you assistance and advice with the visa application process, so don't hesitate to come to them with your questions. Consider some top universities in the US. Here is the list of some best universities of United States of America. Northeastern University, University of San Francisco, University of California, Riverside, Wichita State University, American University Washington, D.C., Bay Path University. There are three types of USA study visa for students such as F1, M1, and J1. There is a possibility of employment on an F1 and J1 visa, but not in the case of an M1 student visa. Number 1 is F visa. The F visa is for students who want to pursue an academic degree at a higher accredited university or colleges, or to plan to study English on a full-time basis. The first type of F visa is the US F1 visa, in which holders are allowed to work for 20 hours, or less on the campus as per the university rules. The second type is F2 visa, which is given to the dependents of F1 visa. Considerably given to spouses or unmarried children under age 21 years. Number 2 is J1 exchange visa. J1 exchange visa is a kind of a study and exchange visa that allows you to stay temporarily in the USA while on an exchange visitor program. To get a J1 visa, one first has to apply for an exchange program. Once you get accepted into a program, you will be able to apply for a J1 visa. Number 3 is M1 visa. The M1 visa is for students enrolled in non-academic or vocational study. The M1 visa is valid for 1 year, but students may apply for extensions for up to 3 years. Documents required to apply for USA study visa. Are you dreaming of attaining an education from a globally recognized university in America? Make sure you have the following documents kept handy before applying for USA study visa. A valid passport, Form DS-160 or Form I-20, Service I-901 fee, photographs. Now we talk about how to apply for a study visa. The application process for the study visa goes through the following steps. Get your admissions documents from the SEVP institution. Apply online through the DS-160 form. Pay the application fee. Pay the Service I-901 fee. Schedule your study visa interview. Submit the file with the F1 visa required documents. Attend the student visa interview. Get your admissions documents from the SEVP institution. After you apply and are accepted into the school you want to attend, they will have to complete some procedures so that you can apply for the study visa. The most important document you need to have is Form I-20, Certificate of Eligibility for Non-Immigrant Student Status. Without this form, you will not be able to apply for an F1 student visa and attend your interview. Apply online through the DS-160 form. After you get your Form I-20, you can start the usual application process. This includes filing the DS-160 form online with the necessary information about your visa status. Pay the application fee. The application fee for the student visa is $185. You must pay this fee and get the receipt, which you will need later for your interview documents. You might have to pay additional fees based on your country of origin and the US embassy you are applying from. When you are admitted by the SEVP institution, your school immediately registers you in the Student and Exchange Visitor Information System. To have full registration, there is a Service I-901 fee. For the study visa, this fee is $200. Schedule your study visa interview. After filing the DS-160 form and paying the fees, you will need to schedule your interview. The interview is a mandatory step before you get your student visa. Try to schedule it as early as possible, since there might be delays due to the heavy workload of the US Embassy. When you schedule it, you will receive an interview appointment letter which you will need later on in the application process. Submit the file with the required documents. Before you go to attend your interview, you should prepare your file with the required documents for students. Attend the student visa interview. When you go to attend the student visa interview, the questions will mostly revolve around your reasons for going to the US and the institution you are going to. The interviewer will try to assess whether you intend to return to your home country after you complete your degree. Visa processing time. In most cases, you will get the response on this visa immediately after the interview. At the end of the visa interview, the interviewer might congratulate you for getting the visa or will provide you with a document letting you know the reason for denial. This is because the processing of this type of visa actually happens before your interview. The interview is the last step for the US Embassy to assess whether they should issue the visa. Visa validity. When your visa is approved, it might be for the full time that you will be in school in the US, or for less. If your study program takes 1 year to graduate, the embassy will most likely give you a visa that is valid for 1 year if your degree program is 2 years, and you only get the visa for 1 year. You should then later apply to renew it. If your visa is approved, you are allowed to depart for the US 30 days before your program begins. You cannot enter the US any earlier than that. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel for more video.